Hi, I got my trial version of the Home Designer Pro. Pretty much it operates the same whether it's Suite, Architectural, or Pro in this case. I'm just going to draw a deck using railing walls. I'm not going to draw the house in this case. We got a deck. I got to tell it it's a deck so that the roof goes away. You see okay, now I don't have a terrain. Let me create a terrain. Okay. So I don't know about the topography of your plan, but we've got a deck and some terrain. I'm going to lower the terrain just a little bit so that it separates from the deck. Okay. Now, to do what you want to do, you have to use your wall break tool. I'm just going to put a couple of breaks there. Take this segment here, pull it in, and then reconnect it. See, I'm creating a notch in the deck. I'm going to select these three walls and then straighten them up on the overall deck and reconnect them. Now the minimum width ought to be at least 39 inches, so I'm going to set that to 39 and then recenter. Okay, so let's take a look at that. See? Okay, I'm going to go back to plan. Now you just go over to your stair tool and the straight stair tool with the arrow on it, and it'll automatically figure out how many stairs it takes to go to your terrain. And in my little thing here, it just chose one, and it automatically removed this wall here when I put the stair there. Now let me just in case, I'm just going to go over terrain and I want elevation data. Yeah. And here I'm going to put 0 inches. The default value is 0 inches. And then over on this side, I'm going to go back to the same thing. And right there, I'm going to put that at minus 4 times 7 is 28. Minus 28. Let me show you what that did to the terrain. They did that sort of a thing. Now this stairs doesn't reach. So I'm going to go back, delete that stair, go back to the stair tool. And see, if you use this stair tool, it'll calculate from the deck height to the terrain. And there you have it. So that's how I think what you're asking for, what it looks like. Okay. Hope this helps you. Whether it does or not, make it a great day.